Man, what the? Are you? Why does it look like you've been in the wilderness? Look like you out here trying to survive. Bro, I don't understand you, bro. You always doing the most adventurous things. I'm trying to figure out what the hell are you even doing? Bro, we ain't trying to start no fires, bro. We are in a house, a home. Bro, while I go play Whiteout Survival, I want... You've been watching me play Whiteout Survival, so everything you do got to do with survival now. I knew it was something. I knew it was something.